All right, current update on the Camaro. I ripped apart the entire interior, including all the panels, pulling down the headliner, A-pillar, B-pillar, C-pillar. So I have my headliner all prepped. I used 80 grit sandpaper and quickly etched the entire surface to try to get rid of all of the old residue from the old headliner. So now it's time to lay on the new suede material on the headliner. We just finished wrapping the headliner and look how amazing it looks. It's full alcantara. We shaved all of the edges and tucked those nicely around the corner. You can probably kind of see on the underside. I poked holes where all of like the accessories above your head are going to be plugged in. And then I also wrapped the A and C pillars in the same material, so it will have a nice flow from the front to the rear of the vehicle. So this is good to go back into the car.
All right, so here we have the amp rack for Kayla's Camaro. We have our Kenwood amps in here. We have our nice trim ring. I got my clean wire done. I built a little area pocket on the back right here for all these wires to come through so we get a nice clean reveal. That way you don't ever see all the wires in the front. I don't have them running across the board. From here I will be putting this in the car, hooking the power up, and we should be able to turn it on.
All right, I want to talk about why we decided to upgrade my Camaro sound system. Well, it's because my sound system's over 10 years old, so the technology is definitely outdated. The Camaro speakers are very muddy at high volume. They're definitely underpowered. I can crank my stereo up all the way and I still feel like I can barely hear it. So I think that's also where the sound dampening is going to come in effect for controlling where that sound is in the interior of the vehicle. So hopefully the sound won't be escaping and the exhaust won't be taking over my speakers in the interior. We chose the Kenwood kit, which is like the perfect middle ground of performance for speakers and price range. Kenwood is known for clearer vocals, sharper highs, stronger bass, and super good definition at high volume.
All right, so here we have our 13 Camaro dash kit. This is the factory head unit right here. This is the aftermarket pack module. Comes with this OEM integration module as well. Kenwood head unit. This will all integrate together and give us a factory look in this car with the aftermarket features.
Here we replaced the entire head unit, and this does replace your AC gauges and all the area around it, but it's nice because it comes in a full kit, so it was pretty simple to install.